Hello students, myself Manoj Kumar. Once again, I am going to start of the new chapters decimals, and this is the first part of the chapter decimals. Today I am going to discuss about decimal fractions, decimals and the place value chart. And now the first topic are decimal fractions. What are the decimal fractions? The fractions in which the denominator are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, etc. are known as the decimal fractions. Here, here we see that here is the 1 and the 1 and but the zeros, number of the zeros are the different. So if this type of the situation is formed is comes in the denominator of the fractions, so this type of the fractions are called the decimal fractions. This is called the decimal fractions. Okay boys, here you understand that the fraction in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc are known as the decimal fractions. Now another topic is here is the example 7 by 10, 64 by 100 and 2589. That means 2589 by 1000. Now another topic is the decimals. The numbers written in the decimal form are called the decimals number or simply decimals. The numbers written in the decimal form. A number which has two parts, the whole number and the decimal part. This is the numbers 2.19 written in the decimal form because here is the given the symbols of the decimals. And now this decimal separate the two parts. This the left side part of the decimal, the left side part of the decimal is called the whole part of the decimal number, and right side of the numbers from this decimals is called the decimal part. Now from these examples, 2 is the whole number and 1919 is the decimal part of this 2.19, and these are the another examples 7.23, 3.5689, etc. Okay, so now boys, decimal fractions, the fraction in which denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are known as the decimal fractions. And decimals, what are the decimals? The numbers in the written in the form of decimals are called the decimal number or separate decimals. Now these are the examples, and these decimals have two parts. One part is the whole number and another is the decimal part. The whole number is the left side of the decimals, and the decimal part is right side of the decimals. Okay. Now boys, go to the next topic is here place value chart. And what are the place value chart? You know very well about that Indian place value chart, international place value chart. I have already discussed about in your previous videos, chapters 2, 3, and so on. And now here is the place value chart. 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, 10, ones. These type of the charts you know very well. These represent the Indian place value chart we have already discussed. And now, but after this, there is some changes. Decimal point, here is a new parts is adding to the place value chart. And now after the decimals, first place is called the 10th digit. Second place after the decimals is called the 100th, and the third place after the decimal is called the 1000th. And now these are the examples here. We may arrange the decimals number 1238.654. You know how can we count it? We can count it this way: 6.654, not say 654. After the decimals, the number read, the digit read individually. It means 6 654, not 654. Okay. And now how can we represent this number in the place value chart as a decimal value? 1000 in the same way, 1238, and this is the point. And now student, first, after the first place, after the first place after the decimals represent the 10, this is the 6. Second is the 5, this is the 100, and the third is the 4, this is the 1000. Now in this way we can say that 1238.654 we can represent in this way. Okay. So why in this way we can say that how can we represent, we can simplify all these type of the numbers 1 2 2589.12. If you want to write the write this number in expanded form, how can we write the number in expanded form? Yes, this, yes, 2000, you know very well, 500 plus 80 plus 9 plus. Now here is the 1. So we write here 1 by 10. Okay. And now plus 2. What is the second place after the decimal is 2. And right here 1 by 100, it means ये क्या है 2. 2 means 2 by 100 and plus 9 by 1000. Why? 1000. Here is the 1000 because 1000 is the third digit from the left, from the decimals to the right side. Okay, so in this way we can write the any decimal number in the form of expanded form. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the short form by using the decimal expanded, by using the decimal in expanded form. And now we will also discuss about how can we change to how can we expand short form into the expanded form. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand the many parts, decimals, fractions, decimal numbers, and etc. Thank you.